Hi, that's Claudie. I'm from Germany, from Berlin, and I show you today the camper van from Travel Wheels. That's a car for 3 persons, and you get a water tank, a 40-liter water tank on board. You can fill it up where you want, when you want, on camping sites or on petrol stations. Really easy, really quick. So you get also a gas bottle to cook your meal or your dinner, whenever, wherever. Really cheap, really you save a lot of money. And you have a power point on your car. You can put a power from the camping area, from the camping site on it. You can recharge your mobile, your laptop, whatever you want, your mobile phone. And I show you, of course, a little bit more from the car. That's the car from inside. 2 big bench and a big table in the middle. It's a really cool thing. A lot of space for a lot of people. So I come around, I show you a little bit more. So we have also a small table for outside because it's a wonderful sunset in this moment and you can enjoy yourself outside and inside. So this is our sink with a 40-liter water tank. You can push the button here on the side and the water is coming out. Also you have cutlery and plates, pans, everything what you need to cook your own meal on board. Everything is included in the price, you don't have to pay extra. So here are the bowls and the plates, cups and glasses, and the big area to cook something. And the mirror maybe for the lady in the morning. So we have here a lot of storage and chairs for outside, if you like to sit outside in the sun, really good. And also a gas cooker, you can prepare your meal, and the microwave is included, everything is on board, and also the fridge. The fridge works with a second battery, and if you stop in the evening on wherever you like to stay, maybe here on the beach, you can use the fridge is working 15 to 17 hours after you stop. Really cool thing. So also the third person can sleep under the roof, and in the evening we can make a big double bed on the bottom. And yeah, I think that's it. Have a great trip. Bye bye.